Good afternoon. I'm off to Germany for one day only today, and I'm taking you with me. I'll be filming this vlog only on my iPhone and only using GoPro, so I don't know how that'll turn out, but I think it'll be worth a challenge. Let's go. Just arrived at Heathrow and excited to leave London for a bit, even if it's for work. This vlog was always supposed to be somewhat photography orientated, and I don't mean to disappoint. Do you prefer Canon or Nikon? Let me know in the comments below. And just like that, we've made it to Düsseldorf. Good night. More of Düsseldorf happening tomorrow. Good morning. It's time to get ready for work. That wasn't too bad. Very much stuck at the office and it's all work and no play. I doubt there'll be much exploring happening in Düsseldorf, or any photography for that matter. Oh well, that's life. Gotta bring home the bacon somehow. I'm on the main shopping street in Düsseldorf. I guess it's the equivalent to Regent Street in London, and it's pitch black at night and I only have my iPhone with me, but well, got nothing to lose, so I'll try one shot anyway. I've picked up this canal because it has some crazy reflections going on, so can't promise for nothing, but here goes. Gonna be using the Lightroom for mobile app, because it actually gets the best out of your iPhone's hardware. I would usually say good morning at this point, but this is my woke up at 4 AM to go to the airport phase. Just made it back to London. I really hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, be sure to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next one.